Hello, this is Marius from design.net, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of a slider responsive WordPress theme. So it's easier for you to set up and get started. I will show you first how to set up the homepage. First, we're going to start with uploading your own logo. You can have a custom background. Social media icons, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram. Then we're gonna set up pages, and we're also gonna set up categories for your portfolio. And then we're gonna make a couple posts for a slider and for the category and also for the blog. So I'm going to show you how everything is set up. So first, let's go into WordPress, and we're gonna set up, like I said, logo. Upload your logo, upload your background, and set up the social media icons. So let's go into WordPress, click under appearance, click under themes. For those of you who are new to WordPress, you're gonna click under appearance, themes, install themes, upload, and you're gonna browse and look for your zip file, slider responsive theme, and you're gonna hit open. Then you're gonna hit install now and activate. Once you activate, you're gonna have this slider settings. Click on that, and here you're gonna have a custom logo, custom background, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, and Pinterest. If you don't have one of those, just don't put anything in there. For everything else, just put the HTTP or HTTPS. Make sure you put the full URL. So first, let's upload your logo. Let me just delete this. The size, you can have full size logo, 900 by 70 pixels high. Whatever looks good, you can upload it. So click upload your logo. Select files, look for your logo, could either be JPEG or PNG. Hit open, click on the edit, and then you're gonna copy this file URL. Do not copy this one. I see some of you copy this ID attachment. It has to be file URL. Make sure you copy the whole thing, starting with HTTP. Scroll all the way till you see PNG or JPEG, and just copy. Let's go back under appearance. Let's go back under settings, slider settings. Let's delete this one and just paste it in here and hit save changes. And your new logo is going to show up here, and your social media icon is going to show up on the bottom. And now let's upload custom background. Obviously yours is going to be empty, so click upload your background, select files, select your background, make sure the image is big enough. Mine is 1280 by 800. Click on open. Click on edit. Once again, don't copy this code, copy the file URL starting with HTTP. Scroll all the way to JPEG or PNG. Copy that. Let's go back under appearance, settings. This is my old one, so we're gonna delete that and paste it in here. Make sure everything got pasted. HTTP to JPEG. Hit save changes, and your logo and your background should be there. So now let's go in WordPress, and we're gonna set up some pages and categories. Oops, so let me just delete this. Okay, let's go first under pages. We're gonna set up the about, blog, contact page, the home page, and the custom one like you saw, the download. I'm gonna show you how to set this up later. So for now, let's just set up those 3 simple pages. You will click add new. You can just type whatever you want here. I'm just gonna edit mine. Obviously you're not gonna have those pages, you have to set up your own pages. So you click add new, put a title, put an image there, put some text. The template is a default template. The blog, we're only gonna change this obviously for the blog, and either publish or update. Okay, let's go set up the blog page. So you would click add new, blog, and change this template from default to a blog, and hit publish or update. Do not put anything here. And the last one is contact page. Okay, so I'm using Contact Form 7 as a free plugin. So you can go under plugins, add new, type in Contact Form 7, search for plugins, install. Once you hit install, the contact is going to be right here, and here's going to be your shortcode, so just copy that. Let's go on back to pages, edit, and you would just copy here. I already have mine, so I'm just going to delete it. And obviously I'll put an image in here if you want to put some image, a map, or some other information. This is aligned to right, and this one is aligned to left. The template is default, and publish or update. Okay, so we got our pages. Now let's set up a few categories. Let's add a few categories. So here my categories are design, illustrations, photography, typography. If you want to put architecture, do not put any slang or description, just add new category. Later you can always change it. For now, just add a few categories, maybe like design, illustration, photography, just so I can show you how to set up everything. Once you have a few of those set up, let's go under appearance, let's go under menus, and we're gonna set up one menu and it's gonna be called header_menu. So click on here, add menu, and you type it here, header_menu. Make sure you spell it correctly, otherwise it's not gonna work. And then you would create menu. I already have mine, so we're gonna edit mine. Okay, here under pages, view all, here's your home page. Like I said before, you can add to the menu, you can always delete it. So here's my home page. Here are the other pages, about, blog, contact, they go right here. The download, it's a custom page, so you would just type here www.cnn.com, and you would type it here, CNN. And if you add this to the menu, if somebody clicks on that, it will go to the external page. Okay, now the drop down portfolio, let me just it's again a custom link. I'm gonna remove it. So for a URL, put a hashtag and label portfolio. Add to the menu. Let's just drag it here. And obviously the categories, you have all of your categories right here. So let's say if we're gonna add them here, I'm just gonna drag them. If you don't want it, remove it. So once again, here's your portfolio, and the categories, you're just gonna slide it to the right so they look as if it's a drop down menu. And that's pretty much it. You got those categories from here. So we got home page, we got the portfolio. I put a hashtag so nobody can click on it, it won't go anywhere, so they have to choose one of the categories. You have the about, blog, download, which is a custom link, and contact, and then just save the menu. So once you have something similar to this, when you go on a home page, you should have your portfolio, about, blog, download. One other thing is, I see some of you have different settings, so let's go under settings, reading, and make sure the front page is your latest post. Some of you have maybe a blog, have some kind of static page, so change that to your latest post. And blog posts show most, put from 10 change to 8. Save changes. Okay, so you right now should have your logo, your background image, your pages, your drop down menus, categories, your social media icons. So now let's make few posts. So let's go on the post. Obviously you're not gonna have those posts, those are mine on my database. You're gonna have to make your own new post. So you would click here, add new. I'm just gonna edit one of mine. So you would add new, put a title, put an image inside, put some text, and here show in slideshow. So this one is going to go to the slider on a home page, and we have to put a feature image. Make sure you use your feature image not from your media library if you're changing themes, but upload it from your desktop. Use your original files. The images, mine are about 1024 by 683. Anything over 1000 by 650 should be big enough. Hit open. Set as a feature image. And either publish or update. And that's going to show up on the homepage. So here it is. So those would be your slider images. Anytime you select a slider, it will go on the homepage. So once again, if we added this one, add new, title, image inside. Once you select show in a slideshow view, it will go, that post is going to go into your slider, so it's going to be on your homepage. Okay, now let me show you how to make a blog post. So once again, you would go add new, put a name, put some text, put an image inside. Category, if you don't see category here, just add category blog. Add new category. I already have mine, so select this one. This post is gonna go to our blog. And once again, we're gonna add feature image. Once again, upload your images, fresh images from your desktop. So pick an image. It's about 800 by 500. Open. Set feature image. Here's your image. Update or publish. And this post is gonna go into your blog. So if we go under your blog, here's your posts. Click on it. Here it is. And here are your random posts. If somebody comes on this page and wants to see some of your other stuff, they can just click on the random pictures. Okay, and now I'm just going to show you how to add your categories. Okay, so it's a simple too. Go on the post, add new. I'm just gonna edit one of mine. So put a title, put an image, put some text. Do not select show in a slideshow view, otherwise this post will go into your slider. Select what categories you want this go to. Is it 1 category, 3 categories? Select which categories you want there, and of course assign a feature image. And once again, upload your images from your desktop. So make sure they're not gonna get stretched or squashed inside. And the image is about 800 by 500. Set feature image. Here it is. Update or publish. And this post will go under design, photography, and typography. So if we go under photography, gonna see it right here, and here's your image, and that's pretty much it. So once again, we cover how to upload your logo, background, social media icons, how to set up your pages, categories, how to add images to your homepage slider. Just select the show in a slideshow view. Make sure your image is big enough, otherwise it's going to stretch. Also how to set up blog. Just select the blog as a category, and the portfolio is just select whichever categories you want your post to go to. So hope you hope you like this theme, and I hope you can make some really nice portfolios. Thank you.